Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Heroine of the Black Moonlight Always Want to Mark Me, chapter 48. So here it is. Let's read the story. This moment, looking at Kuyu, this is Sinmu is mocking me again. Now she knows that what Sim was planning, but it must be admitted that she is right. I want to stand with Sue. I can just give up like this. Well, she need to practice more. We can see a little encouragement on her. Let's stop and take a 10-minute break before starting the next training session. Sinmo said to her. Now, Sinmo, she's really getting tough on you. Well, Sue said, drink some water. Good. Kuyo said to her. Well, she looks really exhausted. Probably the training. It was really hard. Drinking slowly. You have an acting class later. Well, Sue said to Kuyo. Well, she must really thirsty. That's why she almost finished the battle. Facial expression and movements were too stiff. His eyes were pretty empty. He completely failed to embody the character's emotion. Now, she wanted to imply what she can said. Why? Why can't you trust me just this once? The emotions weren't genuine enough and there was no sense of conviction. So let's try again. You think your mistake is only your fault? Well, the only one who's exhausted is your partner. The extras, director, aren't they all exhausted? Sorry, Kuyu said to them. Give it up, you're already amazing. Sue, she was cheering Kuyu, but we can see she's still a little bit down. Well, definitely, she's trying her best, but of course, there's a lot of hindrance, and also, Sinmo, it's making difficulty and hard for her. Well, let's solve. Things will be better. I don't have your talent, but you don't need to comfort me. I will continue to work hard and won't hold you back. Well, Kuyo said to Sue. She looks really sad about this. I help you. Well, Kuyo, in unison, it seems that the two of them are going to be matched up. Well, really, not holding back. Definitely, it is really awkward, but at this moment, these two girls, they really keep staring at each other. Well, probably, two of them are feeling embarrassed. Don't get overdo it. Sue, still scared about me. Kuyo said to herself, well, probably we knows that it was really many, but of course, they not be greedy. Dining hall, hold for now, and the two of you can came to my office. Sinmos said to Kuyo and Sue, well, acting up quickly. Well, of course, she was going to hold her hands. Definitely, she's really getting sweeter. Singers and star participants in the music festival will release music videos, original music online, where audience will be voting online. Well, Sinmos said for the two of them. Well, but why? We are chosen. So someone says wants to create music video, well, with a specific theme for the music. At this moment, she knows that something is really happening. Even though Sinmo is trying to explain, we can see, well, you're still in training, you should be still giving up your best. Well, especially, you don't mess things up. Kuya said, I knew, while finally accepting the things that Sinmo is really trying to make things harder for her, worrying about her, just how she's teach her lessons later. Well, Sue just trying to protect Sinmo. Look at her. Still, we can see She got really worried about Kuyo, right? Don't worry, I'm here for you. Well, Sue said to Kuyo. At this moment, she's trying to calm her down. Don't worry, I'm here for you. Well, the two of them still speaking to each other until someone is barging in. Well, definitely the filming is going to start again. Stop chatting, you two came over here to start the training. Sinmos said to the two of them. Well, this was really hard. Sue, I'm not worried. Kuyo, how's your swimming? So it seems that today, the lesson, they're going to swim. Well, definitely, they might really enjoying it. Underwater footage. Teacher, I'm not so good at swimming yet. Well, Kuyo, she's been confused about this. Well, of course. Good teacher. Well, come with the draw to rehearse first. Well, Sinmos said to them, we can see they're really getting serious. Kuya said, I'll go find the coach now. Well, she's really getting excited. Let's hope things will be better as we can see that everything is going smooth and well. Definitely, they're really going to succeed this time. I'll go find a coach now. Well, Chris said the technique is good, but still need to adapt the breathing rhythm underwater. Stay relaxed, take it slow. Well, Sinma said to her, but still, Kuyu, she's been persuasive. She's not holding back. I seems to have found the feeling. You learn every quickly. Keep it up. Now, this girl, she keeps staring on hers. I'm going to the restroom. You can practice in shallow end for a while. Now, it makes sense. She still need to practice more so she can able to sing well in the future. Swimming is not difficult either. We can see now. Shirley can enjoy things what's happening. Like before, of course, she's been restraining herself. Try the swimming in the end. Well, I'm pretty much it hangs of fifth anyway. Well, this girl, she's really getting tricky. Let's see what's gonna happen. It seems that she was going to take a bath. Well, let's hope things will be better for all of them as we can see the things it's really getting colder. I feel the crumpled. Oh, this girl, she's really looking uncomfortable. Let's hope things will be better on her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.